Hello my dear children, how are you all? Okay, and this is EduHunt video lecture series and this is Pushpalata dealing with biology. We have seen various concepts regarding ecosystem and our environment. Environment is nothing but surroundings we have discussed. And this environment consists of two components, biotic and abiotic. And between these two, there is a lot of difference. Anyway, there is a difference and there is a relation. There is a relation. The biotic components of the ecosystem, they depend on the abiotic component. And the abiotic components circulate via these biotic components. That is the relation between these two components of the ecosystem. These two, the biotic as well as the abiotic, constitute the ecosystem together. They are that is ecosystem is the unit of nature. It is considered as the unit of nature. And also we have discussed different domains, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, all these biosphere, all these things we have discussed in detail. And let's move on to the today's concept, that is student illustration-2 part. And don't feel that it is a difficult task for you to do it. I understand a student's mindset, because what you think is listening is easy than answering. It is easier than answering, isn't it? Listening is easy. Even watching is more easier than listening. Watching a video is easy because we need not write any notes. We just listen. We just watch that video. If the video has some animations, as I have shown in the food chain, food web, all these videos, all these concepts. In that kind of videos and that kind of teaching will attract more children, will grasp their what we call the attention towards the video. It will be more when it has some attractive clips, as I have shown some animations in the previous videos. I understand, but don't feel that you will enjoy while answering the questions. Don't feel that it is a bit difficult task. Okay, let's move on to the concept. First question is, the rate at which light energy is converted into chemical energy of organic molecules is the ecosystems. We have discussed always the primary producers trap the sun energy, that is radiant energy, and convert that into the chemical form of energy, that is in the form of chemical bonds. Glucose, it has bonds like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen are there, no? All these things, all these atoms make a bond. They make different bonds. They bind each other and form a molecule, organic molecules. And the energy that is trapped is solar energy, radiant energy, and the energy that is converted is stored is chemical energy. And what is this? This is nothing but the gross primary productivity. That is the amount of energy that is trapped by the organism at a unit area at any time, at a given time, is known as gross primary productivity. Which of the following ecosystem has the highest gross primary productivity? Yes, you are all right. That is rainforest. Rainforest ecosystem has highest among all these, highest gross primary productivity. Maximum solar energy is trapped by. Maximum solar energy is trapped by planting trees, cultivating crops, growing grasses, growing algae in tank. This is more because they trap more energy. In a unit area, algae are more. A very efficient converter of solar energy with net productivity or more is the crop. Remember this, sugarcane. Sugarcane, it is 204 kilocalorie per meter square. That is, even more than that, they fix this amount of energy per meter square. They fix the energy in this way. The biomass available for consumption by the herbivores and the decomposers is called, it is not killed, it is called. The biomass available for consumption by the herbivores and decomposers is called herbivores and decomposers. Keep in mind, available for consumption by the herbivores and decomposers. That is standing crop. Which one of the following ecosystem types has the highest annual net primary productivity? That is tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest lo ఎక్కువ ఎనర్జీ ట్రాప్ అవుతుంది. నెట్ ప్రైమరీ ప్రొడక్టివిటీ. ప్లాంట్ డికంపోజర్స్ ఆర్ మొనీరా ఫంగై. మొనీరా అంటే బ్యాక్టీరియా ఉంటుంది ఇందులో. ప్రోటిస్ట్ అండ్ యానిమేలియా, ఫంగై, ప్లాంట్స్, యానిమేలియా అండ్ మొనీరా. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. Monera and fungi, that is answer, because they act as the decomposers. Which of the following acts as nature's scavengers? Nature's scavengers are saprophytes. They feed on the dead plant and animal remains, microorganisms. If we completely remove the decomposers from an ecosystem, its functioning will be adversely affected because mineral movement will be blocked. That is the correct one. The rate of decomposition will be very high. No. Energy flow will be blocked. Herbivores will not receive solar energy. Idi kaadu. Mineral movement will be blocked. Okay. Energy flow will not be blocked because as per the law of thermodynamics, the first law states that the amount of energy in the universe is constant and it only transfers from one to another, from one form to another. We cannot create the energy. We can neither create nor destroy the energy present in the universe. It is constant. Only thing is, we can convert the energy from one form to another, light to heat, like that. Solar radiation to chemical form of energy, chemical to heat, like that we can convert from one form to another, but we cannot make any changes in the amount of energy. Mineral movement will be blocked because if we destroy the decomposers, the dead bodies will remain as it is in the ground. Mineralization will not take place. That is why the movement of the minerals will be blocked. The breakdown of detritus into smaller particles by earthworm is a process called fragmentation. Breakdown process is known as fragmentation. It is done by earthworms, and even not only the earthworms, some kind of nematodes also participate in this action. This is known as Fragmentation. Fragmentation means breakdown of large molecules into simpler and smaller ones. With this, I have finished my session, my dear students. In this session, we have learnt about the gross net primary productivities and questions based on these primary productivity, net productivity and gross primary productivity, and also how much energy is trapped by the plants and what are the plants which take up highest, which can fix high energy, that is sugarcane, which crop is more efficient in converting the solar energy into chemical form of energy, that is a sugarcane crop among these four, and even which ecosystem can trap more amount of energy, can produce more productivity, primary productivity, that is tropical rainforest. Like that we have answered. మనం ఫస్ట్ అనుకున్నాం కదా, కాన్సెప్ట్ వినడం ఈజీ, ఆన్సర్ చేయడం కష్టం. కాన్సెప్ట్ వినడం ఈజీ అంటే కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్తో కాన్సెప్ట్ వింటే అన్నీ కూడా ఆన్సర్ జస్ట్ లైక్ దట్ చేసేయగలుగుతాం. సో కీప్ వాచింగ్, కీప్ లెర్నింగ్, keep understanding, keep answering. Okay, good luck.